to do this prank on my husband. It's this silver danger warning. Let's see, hold on. I gotta hide the phone somewhere. Up here. Hold on. Let me see it. Okay, hold on.
Sal! Come here, look at this! Come here! Okay. Take your time, but don't take too long, cause this is, my goodness, I gotta call Kiki them to see if this is on it for them.
What?
Silver danger warning.
Oh.
What is that? Civil authorities have issued.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security. A giant meteorite is set to impact the United States within the next hour. At this time, it is expected that it can strike any location in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. The meteorite may also break apart and strike multiple locations.
Oh my
All residents within the radius of the
Oh, your God.
destruction
It say
will
in,
seek shelter right now,
It says-
preferably in a room that doesn't have any windows. While the effects of a direct strike are unavoidable, you can protect yourself from the impacts effects from the meteorite. Again, seek shelter in an inferior hollow room that doesn't have any windows. Further updates will be provided as more information is available. If the meteorite
What they say it's gonna be?
location away from the
You
disaster
acting a fool.
seek another location.
You acting a fool. That's why you don't know. They say Minneapolis. Crazy chick.